Hello, everyone. At Signia, we're excited to announce our updated Earwear 3.0, including our Thin Tube 3.0, as well as our new Mini Receiver 3.0. With Earwear 3.0, you do have standard sizing for both those thin tubes and receivers, so you're going to use the new measuring tool that's marked with Earwear 3.0, and that shows sizes 0 through 4. Again, that's going to be standard across both thin tubes and mini receivers. With Earwear 3.0, you also have standard domes and sleeves. So that means you have one kit to maintain for both thin tubes and receivers for your domes and sleeves. Last but not least, you are also going to have standard concha locks. With the new concha lock, this is available in packs of 10. Now you may be asking why we didn't include this in your Mini Receiver 3.0 packaging. And the reason is, with that new design, what we're finding is that most people don't require a concha lock in order to have great fit and retention with the new updated Earwear 3.0. If you do decide that you would like to use a concha lock, there's just a little bit of a difference compared to what you may have seen with your previous Signia products. So when you look at the base of your receiver, this rectangle is a standard size across all receiver powers, as well as the same size as what's on the end of your thin tube. In order to get this concha lock to sit, you want to look at that receiver. So the receiver wire is going to connect to that receiver on one side. We're going to line that concha lock up to go straight across from that receiver wire. And what I've found is that instead of muscling it on with brute force, if you get one side on, you can then snap it over and it will then be attached. Again, when you look at how that concha lock looks when you pop it on there, it does come straight across from where that receiver wire attaches to the base of the receiver. When it's in the patient's ear, that's then going to be able to loop around like so and hold that into the ear like a kickstand. Now, if you decide you don't want that concha lock after all, instead of wedging it off with your thumbnail like so, grab onto your receiver, grab the tail, and give it a firm pull, and that's going to snap that concha lock right off. If you run into any questions about Earwear 3.0, please feel free to reach out to your clinical education specialist or your territory account manager at Signia. We're happy to get you any supplies that you need or to help you make the transition to these new improved thin tubes and receivers. Thanks so much and have a great day.